شکریہ.
Huzur, first of all, he begs Huzur's pardon that in the last class he could not bring the food because of some problem. Secondly, he thanks Huzur for Huzur's tohfa, whatever was given.
Is yet to be delivered.
You have already delivered one.
No.
Cheese, you have.
Well, just a small thing. It's 40 pounds, he told me, through Bashir, as he had promised he would take the full money. So I think maybe he is charging me less than what you actually had spent. Is it right? Is it 40 pounds only? All right. Give it, don't keep it for yourself.
Jazakumullah. Huzur, amar proshno hocche.
Huzur, this question is related to the political arena of Bangladesh. They raised a question that if a chief executive or the legislative body of a country is bound to face accountability, then why not the main judiciary of a country? That is, the Supreme Court also should face.
This is a question which is being debated also in Pakistan. The justices of a court should also be accountable for their deeds or misdeeds. So they have started it in Pakistan. The present chief justices and provincial justices will be tried later on after they are retired. But so far they are trying the retired judges, and they are making them pay heavy penalties for their corruption. Some justices are serving now hard labor for 5 to 6 years in ordinary jails. So imagine, they're suffering, but they made others to suffer while they were justice, so-called justices. So inshallah, the time will come when these justices will also be put to trial.